Hello and welcome to the science class. Today we're going to talk about taste and smell. This is your chapter number 4, lesson 2. We have a lesson about taste and smell. Okay, so as previously we learned about the senses, there are 5 senses. And when you talk about senses, of course, all the senses, they are connected to each other. Okay, so what are the 5 senses? What were the 5 senses? These are 5 sense organs. You have sense of hearing, sense of touch, sense of sight, sense of taste, and sense of smell. Okay. Look, all the senses, they are connected to each other. For example, hearing and touch. As previously we were studying about, hearing and touch are the senses which are connected to each other. We gave you examples that when you are hearing, okay, when you listen, why is hearing important? Because when you listen to some sound, it will alert you from the upcoming dangers. And there was also an example of blind people, that blind people, how do they understand about the things when they hear things? They use their sense of hearing and sense of touch because they cannot see. Today we'll talk about sense of taste and smell. Sense of taste and smell, they are also interlinked together. Okay, they have a connection together, they are connected together. If you say how, smell and taste they are closely linked together. Okay, the taste buds of the tongue, they identify the taste. Okay, and the nerve system, the nerves which are in your nose, they identify the smell. Now see, look at in your book, there is a given, our tongue has a taste buds which sense taste like salt and sweet and bitter and sour. Taste works with smell. Underline please. Open your notebooks, books, and please underline with me. Tastes work with smell to stop us from eating food, and that would make us ill. When you smell the food, if the food does not smell good, you cannot eat it. Okay, because when you smell, you understand the food is good. When you smell, you understand the food is bad. Look, it's given, if something smells bad, it generally tastes bad too. Okay, sometimes when some milk or some food is not good, it has been spoiled or it has been rotten, you will quickly understand, your nose will quickly tell you that you should not eat this food. If your nose is blocked, you cannot taste very well. Remember, when you are suffering from influenza, if you have a flu, you cannot taste good. Okay, some animals have small noses, others have big noses. Okay, so these lines are very important. You have to underline these lines and you have to revise them when you are going to have your exams. Okay, so because most of the time the fill in the blanks and true false, they come from these lines. Okay, so we are talking about that how taste work. When you smell something, quickly you understand that it does not taste good. Okay, and at the bottom of the page they are talking about the animals who have good sense of smell. Now some animals, they understand, they understand because they have a good sense of smell. They quickly understand where the food is, where is something, because they have a good sense of smell. Now, for example, they give an example of a shark fish. Even also they talk about shark fish, that shark fish has a very good sense of smell. If as soon as you go into the water, she quickly smells your blood and she can follows you. Okay, now look at these animals which are given here. Which of these animals do you think can smell things what the best? Okay, so let's check which of these animals they can smell good. Okay, look at the first one. We are human beings, we don't have that, we have good sense of smell, but our sense of smell is not as good as like the animal, these animals. Okay, so when you read about these animals, you understand which animals they have good sense of smell. Okay, so look at the first one, bears. Please make a tick. Bears, they have a good sense of smell. Mouse, they have very good sense of smell. Elephant and butterflies, they also have a very good sense of smell. Okay, so when you underline or check this one, these are the animals who have good sense of smell. Okay, if you talk about lions, lions have a good sense of hearing. They have better than smell. Okay, and also they say that monkeys, they also have good sense of smell. So how many things we have underlined? We checked first, number 1, bear, number 2, mouse, number 3, butterfly, number 4, monkey, number 5, the elephant. Okay, so these are the 5 animals who have the best sense of smell. Okay, they smell better things, very, very good. Now look at the, let's talk about butterflies, that butterflies, they use their legs to smell or taste the food. Okay, now see here, did you do that, please? Now we will go to the, just a minute, look here, girls, see here. Now this is a picture of when you look at, if you open your face, or you see, look here, these are your senses. See here, the thing, your nose is connected to your, see here, from here you can smell, this is your nose cavity. Okay, and here is your mouth cavity. So they don't have anything which will stop them. They have a one link. Okay, so anything you can smell, quickly you can taste. Sometimes the smell is so dark that even you can taste that. Okay, so this is one cavity. Can you see? Nose cavity and mouth cavity, they are interlinked, and the nerves which are in the nose, they are same as, they are connected to the taste one. Okay, this is a simple picture for you to see. Now what you will guys do, you will open your notebooks. Okay, and we will write some vocabulary words.